Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is OBAAPA Kitchen. In this video you're gonna learn how to make authentic Ghana okra stew, okay, that you can eat with your banku, okay, that you can eat with your banku or your gari fufu. Maybe you can eat this with fufu as well. Okay guys, this is very easy, authentic Ghana okra stew. So if you want to learn how I made this, stay tuned, don't go nowhere. Let's get started. But before I do, I'm going to try to make banku hands. Guys, papa b guys, and nice. I didn't have this in. Alright guys, let's get started. Hi, so to make okra stew guys, you'll be needing your ingredients. I have my okra on this side. This is what I have. I have my okra, I have 1.5 red onion, I have some habanero. This one is the green ones that I am going to use. I have fresh ginger root, 2 medium tomatoes, I have some garlic, cloves of garlic, I have some zucchini on this side. Yes guys, I am going to add a little bit twist to my stew today. Alright, so next you'll be needing some meat or whatever fish you want to add it to your okra stew. Just feel free, but with this time I have some fresh beef right here. I am going to use, this is about 1.5 pound. I didn't buy a lot, so I have this one here. I got some crab guys. Do you remember this crab right here? Yeah, fresh crab from the river that I caught the last time. I pre-cooked it because I just wanted to stay fresh. I pre-cooked it and froze it. So this is what I am going to use. And I have some fresh shrimp on this side as well. My seasonings, guys, I'm trying to use a healthy seasoning as possible. That is what I want. Okay, so here is my salt. This is red pink salt. This is not the actual container. I just put it in the regular container that I have. And I got some cloves of garlic. That's inkete. I have some garlic powder, cayenne pepper, moustache, guys. Don't forget moustache, oregano on this side as well. And also guys, I have my zomi. You need zomi to make this okra stew, guys. Don't get it twisted. There is difference between okra soup and okra stew, okay? So don't get it twisted. Yeah, I see American, I see a friend okra and you see okra. There is 2 different type of okra stew and okra soup, okay? The okra soup, you don't need this, the zomi, okay? And you will be needing a few ingredients to make it, but with the okra stew, you will need zomi or palm oil to make it. That is the slightly different. So I say, okay guys, so I'm done talking. Let's get started. Guys, so I have my beef already on the stove, so I'm just gonna season. I'm gonna cook it before I add it to my stew. So as you can see, I have it right here. So I'm gonna add some ginger powder. Just a ½ teaspoon of ginger powder, garlic powder. They are all ½ teaspoon each, just to bring out the flavor. And I have some half chopped onion as well. And I'm gonna add ½ teaspoon of salt, just to get the flavor out. And I'm gonna add just a little bit of water to cook it. Okay, and then we are just gonna allow it to cook for about 25 minutes. Alright guys, so now our meat is cooking. We are just gonna pay attention to the okra. Also, we are going to cut the okra this way. As we all know, some American kumadi. Since night, barry. We got a fresh one. Come on, there. That's okay. We're still gonna use it. You more bounce, so look at it. The seed, perfu. Look at that, guys. Yeah, some. All right. So just gonna cut the okra. Guys, so let me show you how to cut the zucchini, okay? So I'm going to cut it the same level as the okra. So we cut it into pieces at the same level. In Ghana, if you have garden eggs, have it. No, that's fine. You can use zucchini or you can use whatever you have. Okay, so this is the way you're going to cut the zucchini. You know, like little size, the same like the okra. It's a healthier when you add the zucchini, because you all know that the zucchini have a lot of nutrients in it. So it's very, very important with, you know, you add that to the okra. Medium heat. Just gonna cook the okra gradually. Okay, make sure you turn your stove to a medium heat. You don't want to burn your okra. So now I am going to add just a little bit of baking soda, guys. That is a kiln. In Ghana we call it a kiln, baking soda, because this okra, it is too, you know, dry. So just a little bit of baking soda to turn that a little bit. You know, also it's gonna help it cook faster. Okay, and I'm gonna add about a half cup of water, not a lot, guys. Okay, so we're just gonna let it sit down and let it cook. Coming back to the tomato, I have my Ninja blender on this side, so we are going to blend everything together. So the tomatoes, everything is gonna go in there. You're gonna blend all of them together. And also I have some cloves, so I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon. And now we're gonna blend it the way, just the way it is. It's time to make the stew, okay? So I have my Zomi. I'm gonna add it to my pot. Look at that beauty. That oil is just beautiful, guys. Now I think it's good, so I'm going to add my diced onion. In Ghana, if you have a stinky fish, that is momone. You can add momone to it, okay? Or if you have Kobe, you can add Kobe. But I don't have those at the moment. So next, I am going to add my tomato, blended tomato. And this is the blended tomato, onion, ginger, garlic, cloves. Yeah, this is how this one is. So I'm going to add the rest of my seasoning. So I have a maize dash. I'm going to add half teaspoon of maize dash, cayenne pepper, half teaspoon. I'm gonna add more garlic because, guys, I like the flavor of garlic. So this is garlic powder, half teaspoon. And also I'm adding my oregano, half teaspoon. They are all healthy spice, so that is which is good for you guys, so make sure you add those. Or if you have like your own spice that you like, you can use it as well. Okay, it doesn't have to be the same spice. So now you're just gonna let it cook for about 15 minutes. At this point, guys, I am going to add some salt. Just a half teaspoon of salt. And also I'm going to add my the shrimp and then the crab right now. It gives a very nice stir. I'm just gonna combine everything. Also, I'm gonna add my beef. That is my cooked beef. Okay. And add all your stock as well. Mercy radio bowl. Oh, bag come up, bag. Where your weekends there come on special. We're very easy. I say, if we are na kono. And come up party. The bit here. Alright guys, so as you can see the stew is done and it's been cooking for about 15 to 20 minutes now. So it's done. For those who make okra stew, they always complain, oh me kumani de me ya na ate. Me ya na ate no. This is the secret guys. Lower your heat, okay? Now the stew is done. The okra is cooked or the okra is cooked. This is the time to add it, okay? So you can add it right now. So when you add this, guys, don't let it sit in the fire for a long time, okay? Remember, okra is cooked, stew is cooked, okay? Okay. And then that's it. You got your okra stew. This is how you make or you know whatever you have. So what I did is I skimmed some of the oil, so now it looks like soup. So I'm gonna add just a little bit of oil, just to get that look. Okay, just a little bit. Alright, so now you have your okra stew right here. So I hope guys you enjoyed this video. I'm making banku that I'm gonna eat with. Okay, so try this recipe at home. You know it is very simple and easy. It's how I make my authentic, beautiful and tasty Ghana okra stew. So I hope you enjoy this recipe. I hope you have a blessed day and don't forget to subscribe. Try this recipe. I know you are going to love it guys. So Papa again the ed kama bibia simple kama and we are near the end bibia kama and to try and let me know what you guys think. I love you guys. I'll see you on my next one. Have a blessed weekend. Bye bye.